Welcome to this video on survivorship bias. After completing this video, you will be able to define survivorship bias, explain the importance of survivorship bias, and how to solve it. During backtesting the strategy, we often tend to backtest on the current stock universe, instead of the historical stock universe. That is, we use the stock universe that has survived until today to backtest, ignoring the stocks that no longer exist today, due to various reasons such as bankruptcies, acquisitions, and delisting. This is known as survivorship bias. But why is it important in backtesting to consider the stocks that no longer exist today? Backtesting a strategy using data with survivorship bias results in unrealistic and inflated results. See this example of buy low price stocks strategy. In this strategy, from a 1000 stock universe, you buy 10 stocks with the lowest price at the beginning of the year, and sell those 10 stocks at the end of the year. The screen shows 10 stocks with the lowest price at the start of the year 2001. This data is without survivorship bias. All these stocks were delisted between 2nd January 2001 and 2nd January 2002, except MDM. The terminal price is the last traded price. Backtesting buy low price stocks strategy on this data results in a total portfolio return of -44%. However, if we create a list of the 10 lowest price stock, which survived during the period in the year 2001, then we get the list shown on the screen. The results of buy low price stock strategy are astonishing 388%. These returns are highly unrealistic, as difficult to predict which stocks will survive, and which stock will not. So it is important to use data without survivorship bias for accurate backtesting results. But the real issue is how to ensure or create survivorship bias-free data. One of the approaches is to buy expensive survivorship bias-free data. Some of the examples of such databases are shown on the screen. Another method is to collect your data day by day, which can be used for backtesting. However, this method is very time-consuming. Another approach is to use only recent data, not more than 3 years old. That's all for this video. In the upcoming sections, you will learn to deal with sentiment data.